Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the FLEXISPOT V9 3-in-1 exercise bike, a versatile under-desk bike that combines an exercise bike, movable chair, and standing desk all in one. This innovative stationary bike is perfect for seniors, women, and men who want to boost their immune system and stay in shape while working or entertaining at home. It features a large desk that can accommodate a laptop, notebook, and mobile phone, making it suitable for everyone in the family, from 5 feet 1 inch to 6 feet 2 inches. With 8-speed adjustable resistance, you can tailor your workout to match your fitness level and goals, ensuring quiet pedaling that promotes blood flow and muscle engagement throughout the day. The built-in LCD exercise tracker allows you to monitor real-time stats such as time, speed, distance, calories burned, total distance covered, and rotation speed, though keep in mind the battery is not included. Crafted from premium materials, this desk bike offers comfort and robust support, holding up to 350 pounds and certified by TÜV SÜD for its durability. Whether you're watching TV, surfing the web, or listening to music, the FLEXISPOT V9 is your all-in-one solution for staying active and healthy at home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.